promised that if given such precious opportunity to pilot the affairs of my dear state, I will do everything humanly possible to improve the IGR of our dear state. Please, I want you to go back to Kogi State and verify whether the promise I made 2 years back, whether I am working in line with that promise. I'm a promise keeper. That is why I hardly talk. Yes, thank you for your question. On the issue of insecurity, I want to let us know that Kogi State borders 10 states, including FCT. A state that borders this kind of numerous states, definitely, there, whether you like it or not, you experience one form of insecurity or the other. But what we are facing today in Kogi State and the country in general is something we can all join hands together to bring it down. One, for example, in Kogi State, we have a lot of mineral deposits. We have over 32 mineral deposits in commercial quantity, but it has never worked for our dear state. In Kogi State, we have land, arable land, and northwest. And let me tell you, security issues or security strategies is not being discussed in the public. But I can tell you, Kogi State is not a fertile land. It's not a free destination for them to come and trade. We are dealing with them decisively. They are hearing it. We don't make noise. They always come in their numbers, but they go in their zeros. They will come with their handset ringing, but as soon as they step their leg in Kogi State, that number will never be available. We are dealing with them. We are very comfortable. We have signed to protect lives and livelihood of our people, and as such, that is what we are doing in Kogi State. So be rest assured that in terms of security, we are there. Thank you.
Yeah, Your Excellency.
Wonderful and expected question. What are we doing here? We have come to consolidate on that relationship between the party and the government, because the party is the platform, is the foundation that we are building upon. You cannot build something on nothing. So we recognize party, and not only that, as a government, we have signed to serve our people. How do you serve your people? You cannot serve your people in crisis. You cannot serve your people in isolation. That was why, right from here in 2023, when I picked my form, I did promise here that I was not going to campaign. I was going to go on consultation with our leaders, with our stakeholders, irrespective of your religion, irrespective of your ethnicity, irrespective of party. As far as we are from Kogi State, we will consult with you, because we want to pilot the affairs of our dear state. That is what we have been doing. We have been working around the clock to bring our people together to discuss the affairs of our dear state for greatness. That is the result we are seeing today. We are not doing anything different. We are meeting our leaders, sons and daughters of our dear state, to come back home and let us reason together. Yes, they have asked me to serve them. I am holding their trust. I should not be left alone. We are talking to them, and we thank God. They are coming back home. We are relating together. We are thinking about the people. We are working together as one united family for the greatness of our dear state. And as such, hence, we are here today to appreciate the party at the national level. We are working closely with the party at the state, local government, and at the world level. We have come to appreciate them for what they have done, for giving us the platform to showcase ourselves. That is just it. Thank you, and God bless you.
Please, the last question from our.
His Excellency, good afternoon, sir. Roman Isubu is my name. I'm still writing for the Sun newspaper. Sir, I'm not from Kogi, but I use Kogi route when I'm going to anything. I have to also commend you apart from occasional flashes on the road, confirming the security. Sir, after reading your tribute on your immediate principal, I was very satisfied. When, here again, the party chairman also alluded to it, the relationship.
Very much. It's not funny. Let me tell you, any river that forgets its source so soon will soon get dry. Where I was coming from, I made it a handbag to guide my conduct. And lastly, my boss, Alhaji Bello, is just like a father. I was not born with any spoon. Talk more of classification. Where he picked me from, where God has used him to pick me from, that same point is still very fresh in me. When you see any child that said he's going to get angry with his father, that son is a bastard. As far as I'm concerned, I have the capacity. I have developed that shock absorber to accommodate any form of rumor, lies, because that is where most people feed. But myself and himself, we are working so hard to block that source of livelihood for some people. And I want to beg you, Yabelo is my boss, is my leader, is my mentor. He can get angry with me as a father. Please, if you observe or you get a feel of my boss angry with me, please just go and plead with him on my behalf. But as far as I'm concerned, he's a leader. I can never, and it will never. And I want to appreciate Mr. President. Mr. President sent signal. He supported me. He doesn't know me from anywhere. But he sent his own support. And that support, I am holding it so dearly. That support is with meaning. When you see an elder extending hands of support to a child, is indirectly telling you to go and serve your people, to be committed to the service of humanity. I sincerely appreciate him. I will never disappoint myself. I will make him proud. Thank you and God bless you.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, step aside. Hey, you go, please, no.